Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Subaru WRX. First, gather your essential tools like jumper cables and a donor vehicle. Make sure both cars are completely turned off and in park or neutral to prevent any accidents. For your safety, always wear protective gear such as safety glasses and gloves. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe jump-start process, ensuring you're ready for the next steps. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. Take one red clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead WRX battery. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Then, take one black clamp and connect it to the negative terminal of the donor battery. These connections are vital for establishing a proper circuit between the two vehicles. For the final connection, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Subaru WRX away from the battery. This provides a good ground connection. Once all cables are connected, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to allow some charge to transfer. After this brief charging period, you can attempt to start your Subaru WRX. Hopefully, it will roar back to life. Once your WRX is running, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. Always remove them in the reverse order of connection, starting with the black clamp from your WRX's metal surface, then the black from the donor, followed by the red from the donor, and finally the red from your WRX. Let your Subaru WRX run for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery recharges sufficiently. And hey, if you're looking for a fantastic way to stay hydrated, check the description for a great water bottle and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.